So over here you can see that I have a document opened in Affinity, and here you can see that this document has a certain size. If you want to go ahead and change the document size of an existing project, then you can actually go around over here onto document setup right here, just like this on the top as this document is selected. And once you do that, you can actually go around over here and change the size of it. Let's say, for example, I can go ahead and select legal size or any other size as I want right here. I can go ahead and even select iPhone, and you can see that I can select full SD format and so forth as you like. You can go ahead and change its orientation and change around the page width as well, and change around different contents as you like. You can even go ahead and rescale the contents that you have. So if I were to go ahead and press OK, you can see that it goes ahead and rescales out the content that there is. So it scales it up, and you can see it right here just like this as well. Let me just go around over here onto document setup, and then what I'm going to do is, let's say for example, choose another size now. So let's just go ahead, and now I'm simply going to go around over here and then select out, let's say for example, legal paper right here. Let's go for orientation, and I'm not going to rescale but anchor to page. In this case, you can see that it does not rescale out the content but only resizes the content and anchors. That is, it goes ahead and just places this out in the same location. So that is how you can simply go ahead and change the existing project document settings as you like inside of Affinity. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.